Let's make
A new
marinara
recipe is
pizza.
available. Marinara. Get the right ingredients in the basket. Salt. That's right. Tomato paste. That's right. Flour. Good for you. Olive oil. That's right. Cheese. Halfway there. Garlic. That's right. Basil. Good for you. Maizlins. Good for you. Tomato. Yay! All the ingredients are assembled. Prepare the ingredients. Tear off all the leaves. The cheese needs to be grated. This needs to be peeled. This needs to be sliced. Let's make the sauce. Unscrew the lid. This needs shaking. Stir the sauce. Yay! The sauce is ready. Make the dough. This needs shaking. Time to make the dough. This needs shaking. You have to mix the dough. The dough is ready, all that's left is to roll it out. Place all the ingredients on the pizza. This needs to be opened. It's done. All you have to do is bake the pizza. Yay! The pizza's ready. Congratulations!